Hey, I gotta nerd out for a minute, so I want to show you something. So sometimes when I film my videos, I'm using this. Behind it is a panel light. And basically the reason I do this is because I don't like ring lights. It's just, the lighting isn't the greatest on a ring light in my opinion. So instead, I just put the phone on this, and then I use the panel light that is behind it. But obviously, that's kind of annoying to have to do. But I found this, and I have officially upgraded to this. So this is really cool. It has panel lights on the sides, and then you put your phone on the tripod right there, and it's all in one. And also, I like that it is not a ring light, because like I said, I'm not a fan of ring lights. So it has the power button on the side. It's a touch on off, and the lights are on. And on this side, it has coolness, warmth, and then of course this is how you turn up the brightness level, turn it down. I'm just really excited to now have this upgrade, and it just looks so much nicer. I'll show you this too. This is the other upgrade I got. So basically this is like, if I want to do a skincare video, I can put my phone right on the bathroom mirror, and I have my light right here, and you just press on. You can turn the brightness up really high, you can make it cool, warm. But I just needed something that I could have right in my bathroom for those skincare videos.